Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Feel so very much welcome. So today I am at Galleria Mall. It's in Langata Road in Nairobi, the capital city of Kenya. So I just want to take you through this place and I hope you just enjoy the whole vlog. And this is my outfit of the day. So I'm just in this black dress and a trench coat. The weather was kind of not good today, so I opted to put this on. Yeah. And guys, believe me when I tell you that I was so anxious to even take out my phone and start recording this. I was so very much scared. I thought like I would be told not to vlog in this mall, but that didn't happen. People were just staring at me, yes, but no one really cared, and I also never cared so much about what they thought about me. I just had to do this, and actually I was doing this because I wanted to get out of my comfort zone. I just want to stop being anxious, so I just had to push myself. Guys, so this place is so amazing. They have a lot of good stuff. The environment is just good. Forgive my ignorance. I don't know if it's just me or anything, but I used to think that places like these were for the affluent people. A common person like me will never come to such a place, but today I am here and I just love this. Like, I'm just walking freely. No one is saying anything to me, even though I'm vlogging with my phone out. No one even cares. Like, you just do your thing, and I just love this. So guys, imagine walking around in that type of mask, the way it is, and I never realized until this point is when I realized. So this is me just leaving that store, and I'm just headed out to go check out some other places. And guys, this place is just, I don't know how to describe it, but there are a lot of stuff. Just look at the view, the way it is. There are a lot of, like, you can get banks, restaurants, cafes, everything is inside here. You can get these stylish shops where you can shop for clothes, the boutiques and everything. And I haven't taken you to the Maasai market. They do have a Maasai market almost every day, so stay tuned to see what's in there. So as I was headed down, I realized that they do have Planet Yogurt at this mall. So I think I'll come back and check that out sometime later. It's there where I'm pointing towards that direction, so I think I'll come check that out. If you'd like to see that vlog at the Planet Yogurt, kindly make sure you leave a comment in the comment section and I'll do it for you. So now I'm at the Maasai market, and guys, inside here they have everything that you may want that is Africanish. So this is the place to be if ever you want anything to do with the African culture and everything. Look at this comb. It's like in a female shape from the top, carrying a basket, and it's a comb going downwards. I think it's a good stuff to put on the walls. I think that will do. And I just loved this wooden box, like to put jewelry and everything inside of it. I really loved it. It was 4,500 bob, so Yeah. Hi, Buffalo. Hey, Mr. Hippo. This here is a soft stone shop. They have everything that is carved using soapstone, and these are just so beautiful. They have these animals printed, like everything. Those candle holders. They have these. Is it chase? I think it's called chase. Yeah, chase. They have that. They have these decorative plates, just everything and anything that you'd ever wish to find, like anything that's made from soapstone. They have it all here, and these are just so beautiful. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, though I didn't capture like everything. I didn't go to the restaurants, to the cafes. I didn't go that side. So I just hope you enjoyed whatever it is that I've shown, and you just had fun watching all these. And if you ever are in Kenya or in Nairobi and you want to find such things, go to the Galleria mall. You'll just find everything in there. Kindly, if you are new to my channel, kindly make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon. Also, please like and please drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this. Thank you for watching to this point, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.